In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Zoom G1X4 to computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Zoom device to a computer or laptop. So, in order to do this and set up the software, you will be using mainly these two ports here to connect them to an amp and a guitar. So, first, what I recommend is that you connect the input port here to your guitar. To do this, you simply have to use two guitar jack cables like these ones. So you plug one end into the guitar and another one into this port on the Zoom G1X4. And now by using the output port here, you will be able to connect it to your amp of choice. And you just need to make sure that you establish this connection properly. So once you have the Zoom G1X4 connected to the guitar and also connected to the amp, you are good to go. Now you can connect it to your PC or laptop. This will be primarily done using the USB port. So this is a standard USB port that you can connect to a PC, laptop, and so on. So plug one end of the USB cable here and another one into your PC. With this done, you now have access to the Guitar Lab software. You can find it available to download online. For this video, I'm not going to go too much in depth about how to get this, but immediately upon opening, the G1X4 should be detected and you will be able to manage the settings, control the levels, and so on. Everything will be available inside of the software and it is easy to use. As long as you set up the connections properly, you will be good to go. And you can record audio from the G1X4 as long as you set up the connections like I mentioned. So connect the proper outputs and inputs by using your guitar, an amplifier, or even a mixer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect G1X4 to computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.